Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a ghost out of a bed spring, or you could use a candlestick from the Dollar Tree, or any candlestick you have lying around. You'll need one of those, a tag, a small bat from the Dollar Tree, came in the little wooden craft section, 3 small buttons, a styrofoam ball, some cheesecloth or the creepy Halloween cloth, and some twine. You'll also need a black permanent marker. Or you could use stamps. I'm just going to write boo out on this tag using a black permanent marker, but you could use stamps if you choose to. I'm just doing this to get this part out of the way before we move on to our next step, assembling the ghost. And I just put some glue on my styrofoam ball and I attached it to the top of the bed spring. The styrofoam ball is from the Dollar Tree. It's just one of the small ones that you can find in the craft section. Then I just started layering the creepy cloth, or you layer the cheesecloth, whichever you chose. This is just Halloween creepy cloth that comes in black and comes in white. I chose the white. And I just kept layering it on and let it kind of fall to the table. I wanted it to cover the spring to give it more of a ghost effect. Once you have as much on as you think to cover the ball and how thick you want it, you're going to take your twine and wrap it around the bottom of the styrofoam ball so that it kind of forms his head. Once I tied that into a knot, I added my tag on then and then just tied it in a bow. If you wanted your cheesecloth or your creepy cloth to be more primitive looking or darker, you can use some instant coffee from the Dollar Tree and water, and you soak your cheesecloth in that and then let it dry. And that will give you that primitive look. Next, I took the small buttons and I did 2 for the eyes and then I did 1 for the nose. Or I should say his mouth, it's not his nose. But I kind of dig it with the 2 buttons. So I'm not sure if I'm actually going to keep my 3rd button on there. But I definitely like it with the 3rd button too. But I think I really like it better with just the 2. But he looks super cute either way. Now that we have him all assembled, and he's just super cute, we're just going to color in that bat with a paint marker, or you could even use your Sharpie, and we're going to color that in black. And then when we're done coloring it in, we're going to glue it to the front of the ghost, right underneath his head. So you'll see I kind of just right there hot glued it on. This project's super easy and super cute, and I absolutely love the way it turned out. He is adorable. Then I just kind of trimmed around the bottom so that the cheesecloth or creepy cloth wasn't hanging so low. And there you go. How cute is he? Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to sprinkle, and I hope this inspires you guys to make one too.